wish you a very Merry Christmas, and today is the last episode of Stationery Sundays of 2022 and इससे better day नहीं हो सकता था because it's just going to be a sum up of all the best stationery pieces of this year plus the official launch video of our 2023 planner. It came out a while ago, मैंने पहले भी snippets दिए थे in other videos, but today I'm going to give you a flip through and in detail कि how to use the planner. So because the year is 2022 that's coming to an end, मैं आपको 22 favorite stationery items दिखाऊंगी and the first one, I'm not going to save the best for the last, I'm going to start with the best, is our planner. इसी से start करेंगे and let's have 5 seconds of silence and just admire this beauty. So many messages I used to get on the daily कि when is it coming, and after it came, the same people would message कि it was worth the wait because it is super cute and it is very much more functional, made me feel fulfilled. एकदम अंदर तक वो warm वाली feeling आती है. हंसी तो फंसी मूवी अगर देखिए तो उसमें बोलती है ना अंदर गरम गरम फुहारे फूट रहे हैं, वो वाली feeling आई when I read those messages. Let's dive into this. So this is what the cover page looks like and this is what the back page looks like. The front and the back page does definitely have a difference. We've tried to keep the cover page very wholesome और अंदर जो है वो सब हमने बाहर लाने की कोशिश की, like manifestations, travel, good vibes, goals, helping you find the directions, and of course some financial planning is super important. When you open, you have this front page which is going to always tell you that you can and you will. You have to put your name over here. हम undated planners इसलिए बनाते हैं ताकि there should be no pressure कि आपको रोज लिखना ही है, और अगर आपने नहीं लिखा तो वो जगह वेस्ट हो जाएगी. बट ऑल्सो कि अगर आप किसी को मिड ईयर ये गिफ्ट करते हो या मिड ईयर आप स्टार्ट करते हो यूज करना, ये वेस्ट नहीं होना चाहिए. You should be able to use it freely the next year also. So 2023 का year at a glance and 2024 का है. We have cute little washi tape elements and stickers going on. And then here I come में आप at a glance लिख सकते हैं कि what are the goals you have set for yourself in the coming year. And thank you next is going to be in front of every month ताकि अगले महीने का planning आप roughly कर सको यहाँ पर. Mind mapping is one of my favorite things to do for each month and I had to include it right over here. तो यहाँ पे आप ideas, just random thoughts, you can doodle something here or make notes. फिर आता है वो feature that sets apart our planners from everything else on the market is this is a 2-in-1 planner. It's a desk calendar and a book in itself. So this is how it will stand up on your desk and यहाँ पे when you plan your month you can just prop it up on your desk and you have it at a glance. आपको दो बार same चीज नहीं लिखनी पड़ेगी because when you have a separate desk calendar and a separate planner you have to write the same things literally twice. तो इसके सामने there's a graphic for January ताकि अगर आप एक ऑफिस पर्सनल है एंड आपके सामने तो आपको कैलेंडर है पर आपके सामने जो आएंगे आपके क्लाइंट दे शुड आल्सो सी समथिंग नाइस ना. दैट इज व्हाई ऑन द ऑपोजिट साइड देयर इज जनवरी का ग्राफिक एंड व्हाट यू विल सी इज योर प्लान. यहाँ पर हमने डेज ऑफ द वीक मेंशन नहीं किए बिकॉज फॉर एग्जांपल आप मार्च में ही प्लानर यूज करना स्टार्ट करते हो तो ये हो जाएगा 2024 का जनवरी. तो 1 जन को 2024 में कौन सा डे आता है, यू जस्ट हैव टू मार्क दैट एंड राइट हियर से मंडे ट्यूसडे वेडनेसडे, दैट्स इट. दैट्स द डेस्क कैलेंडर पोर्शन एंड इसके पीछे यू हैव लाइफ गोल्स फॉर दिस मंथ. सो देयर आर 31 स्लेट्स राइट हियर. यहाँ पे आप कलर कोड भी कर सकते हो इफ यू जस्ट वांट टू मार्क समथिंग, व्हाट आर शूट डेट्स और व्हाट आर वेकेशन डेट्स. देयर इज अ नोट सेक्शन एंड देयर आर सम इंपॉर्टेंट टू डूज फॉर द मंथ हियर. And then because it's an open planner which has like complete freedom to the user कि आपको कैसे use करना है, there are 10 blank pages which means 20 blank sides and after that we have 5 rule pages which is 10 ruled sides. So हर एक दिन के लिए आपके पास एक पूरा पेज है and if you don't use you just have extra space. So you know if you feel like writing 2 pages you don't have to think twice कि यार मेरे पास जगह तो इतनी सी है. That is the idea behind this planner and बस like just like that you are here on February. So thank you January. Here's the next month February. यहाँ पे you have to fill in all of that and हर महीने के लिए we have different graphics, different pastel color graphics as well and different little stickers on the month also because this is Valentine's month. So there's a cute bicycle and a Korean heart. सारे graphics मैं नहीं दिखाऊंगी. It's going to be like a secret for when you get it. But we then move on to December. We have snowflakes over here. We have a Christmas bunting and ये साल के हिसाब से मैंने fill किया. So on the 1st of December Thursday था and that's how I filled in right here. I have a self-care holiday on 22nd and a trip on 25th and 31st को of course you're partying so that's what the stickers are denoting here. The sticker page is right at the end and you have 120 plus stickers so you don't have to be confused with कि अरे खत्म हो जाएंगे, नहीं खत्म होंगे, बहुत सारे. So there's like a party one, a ticket one, it could be movie ticket, an amusement park ticket, a ticket it to anything but like a fun day. We have a star to mark any important dates, a caution sign for like anything urgent that comes up, birthday cake sign to remember your loved ones' birthdays, a self-care day because everybody, regardless of age or gender, needs a self-care day off. So we have a bunch of those for you for the entire year. Paper ones, which can either be your exam dates or any meeting date, and we have two people shaking hands, which could also be a meeting or like meeting a friend or something. Casual, professional, दोनों मतलब निकल सकते हैं इसके. Airplane to denote any trips, work trip or vacations, and a party one because it could be a festival like Ganpati or Diwali, or it could just be any other party. Coming to my favorite reflection pages, the first one starts with affirmations. Affirmations is something that I take as a part of manifestation. अगर आप सोचोगे ना कि हो सकता है तो ही वो होगा, and एक बार सोच लिया तो वो होना ही है. So that is why affirmations is something that I really believe in. Then we have the wish list, which is based on wants versus needs, and you can make any notes if you'd like. Then we have two pages which really helped me improve as a person in the past. So that's the mindset page and the level 10 page. Mindset page में कैसा है ना कि fixed mindset to growth mindset में आपको क्या transformation लाना है, that you have to establish here. For example, this is just for example, अगर मैं सोचा था कि मुझे 23 पे शादी करनी ही है कुछ भी करके, even if I'm not financially settled, even if my partner is not settled, that is called a fixed mindset, a rigid mindset. And then if I want to become somebody who's going to accept the environmental changes, कि कोविड आ गया था ना, तो उसमें तो बहुत सारी चीजें चेंज हो गई कि no, I'll get married when both me and my partner are ready for it. That is called growth mindset. So you have to write those kind of things over here and then work on it. Here you have to write what you can, what you are, your vision for yourself, and any other note. अब आते हैं level 10 पे, which I think is my personal favorite page in the entire planner. इसमें आपको खुद को marks देने हैं out of 10 for a bunch of areas in your life, which include family and friends, relationships, self-development, career or education, health and fitness, finances, spirituality, fun and recreation, charity and environment. ये सारे aspects में आपने कितना contribution दिया है according to yourself, you have to mark yourself and then areas for improvement. जैसे family and friends में मैंने खुद को 8 out of 10 दिया है, but where I feel I can improve is daily regular time, to be able to give them say half an hour every single day and not giving one pura day of the week after working like a crazy person for the entire week. So this is the level 10 page, which will surely help you become a much better version of yourself. Then we have the gratitude page, जो मुझे explain करने की बिल्कुल जरूरत नहीं है, because this is something that even if you're in a dark space and a lonely space, it will help you pull yourself out of it. Things are going right for you, it gives you the strength to deal with the things which are going wrong also. So gratitude page is very powerful. If you like this, you can recreate the same template for each month also. That's the advantage of having an undated and open planner. This is your shopping list. There's fruits and vegetables, cooking and baking, household, any other things. But there are some sections like meat and dairy. So meat में क्या हो जाता है कि you can put soya if you're a vegan or a vegetarian like me, and for dairy you can put soy milk or tofu. So that's how you can modify it according to yourself. Then this was a sneak peek of what's gonna happen soon. But this is a savings page, saving to fulfill my dreams, and one of my dreams is to go to London. I'm gonna save around 2 lakh rupees for this. I know you must be thinking कि 2 लाख रुपीस में लंदन का ट्रिप कैसे हो जाएगा. I'll tell you when that happens, but that is my personal goal. फिर यहाँ पे आपको लिखना है कि कौन से डेट पे कितनी अमाउंट रेडी है out of the total. There are 4 different dream section over here, but if you've got more, just go for it and make more of these. This is called Oh My Habit, because once you're like 20s, mid 20s में ना नए habits develop करना बहुत tough हो जाता है. You resist change quite a lot. Why do you need this habit? It's important to mark this because बीच रास्ते में ना motivation ऐसे चली जाती है, and this will just remind you why you started it and reasons why you can do this, to remind you every time you feel like giving up. Now this is a tracker which is very holistic. इसमें आप literally कुछ भी track कर सकते हो. So I started with tracking my period because जब आपको याद आएगा ना कि अरे last month मुझे कब आया था और कितना time है, one section will answer all of your questions like that. Then when was the last you maintained your car, or when was the last you got your AC serviced, because God knows I need to get my AC serviced. I'm sweating like anything in this room because this one is stopped working. But just random things like that, जो भी whatever makes sense to you, you can track all of these things in one page only. But nearing the end, we have the 180 days challenge over here. If there's one habit you really want to get good at, this is the page which will help you to do that. Every day you're able to do it, just circle it out, and this is like an MCQ we used to do, and this will give you a good track of आप कितने दिन कर पाए, कितने दिन नहीं कर पाए. And even if you do like 100 days out of 180 days, it's a win, because imagine not doing it at all and then doing it for 100 days. It's crazy. You need to try this. And then at a glance how your year went, which were the best moments, or if you're into business तो अगर आपको mark करना आपका turnover क्या था या any of those things, so that is what this page is for. And lastly, your 10-year plan. This is more like a manifestation page because of course none of us can predict where we'll be at the 10-year mark, so you just have to write where you want to be at the 10-year mark and pray that it happens. Work with it, and that's the end of our planner. This one is on a launch price or offer price of 599 rupees until 3rd of January, and make sure to get it before that if you like it, because I think compared to the general market price point, this has a lot to offer for the price that it is at. So I hope you love it and we'll keep making such planners for you. बहुत लंबा हो गया, but I do have 21 more things to show you. So let's begin. This is my pitara. First thing is a set of pastel highlighters. Pastel highlighters are very soothing and calming. एकदम आँख में नहीं जाते. And plus I love that these are square. I found this one from Amazon, so it's quite budget friendly. So this is one of my favorite set of highlighters that we tried in this year. फिर second thing है ये carrot retractable eraser. I love when things are adorable but supremely functional. इसकी eraser quality बहुत अच्छी है and the quantity is so good. मैंने plan किया कि खत्म होने के बाद I'll try to put like a non-dust eraser inside this because it looks like that will fit, but it's super cute. I'll try to find something very similar to this if I can find on Amazon or something. मैं तोड़ दूँ उसके पहले. Let's move on to the third item. Fourth actually. Okay, fourth item are these multicolor pens. अगर आपको डेकोरेशन पसंद है, मैं वो बच्ची थी स्कूल में जो स्क्रैप बुक बनाते थे ना, मैंने वेयर इन सेकंड और थर्ड स्टैंडर्ड में एक्स्ट्रा स्टिकर्स, एक्स्ट्रा कलरफुल पेन्स, ग्लिटर पेन्स ये सब करती थी. So if you still like doing that in your journal or planner, then these pens are very handy to carry because there are so many colors in one pen only. I'll link both of these down below. This is like a pink color and इस वाले पे तो पूरा multicolor ice creams and fruits है. I wore special Christmas earrings for this video. Like the beadwork on this is impeccable. Want you to see them? मैं जनपद से लेके आई थी. So how I like to carry these pens is planner में ऐसे मैं साइड में डाल देती हूँ and you have 6 pens with you in just one pen का space. फिर आता है स्टेपलर के pencils. They are so freaking smooth. We've actually been using them in the office for a while. And secondly, they just look too aesthetic. Yeah, this white eraser on the top and these different pastel colors. If you like using pencils, this set will be perfect. फिर आता है calculator. Now personally, I don't like to use a separate calculator. मैं phone में use कर लेती हूँ. But if you do use one, then these Casio ने इतने मस्त pastel वाले भी निकाले. एक beige color का था. There was a pastel purple also, lilac one. I'll put a picture here if I find it online too. मैंने अनुपम में देखे थे. But if you are into a proper business, then Casio का massive calculator आता है जिसमें GST का फंक्शन पहले से है. वो भी मैं लिंक कर दूंगी नीचे because that was one we bought for कुमार अभी एक हफ्ते पहले. So there's like quite a lot of development has happened in the calculator sector recently and I wanted to share that with you. फिर आती है ये दिल्ली की स्टेपलर. ये तो शायद 2022 के भी पहले की है, लेकिन इससे बेटर स्टेपलर मुझे अभी तक मिली नहीं है. This has a very pretty design, a sleek look to it as well and very light color. दिल्ली है तो sturdy भी इतनी है कि चल रही है मुझे इतने टाइम से without any problem and it's always nice to have a stapler around. ये एक staple है कि चाहिए ही रहता है. Oh, a stapler is a staple. फिर ये golden tape dispenser is too aesthetic and super functional. इसकी blade भी काफी sharp है, so it does the job very well and it's easy to change the tapes out. So अगर आपको journaling में पसंद है regularly tapes use करना, आप change भी easily कर सकते हो और just put the transparent tape to actually stick and pack. If you pack orders, if you have a small business, imagine this on your desk. It looks so good. Okay, फिर आती है my most used item, this set of colorful pens. I didn't know कि I'll enjoy using colorful pens so much, but I found this set from Amazon. मैं Kako वाले काफ़ी यूज़ करती हूँ जो मैंने Scubo से लिए थे. They are damn good, but I think उसका set of 5 या 6 comes for 500 or 600 rupees. This is more pocket friendly क्योंकि ये Amazon से है, but this is equally smooth as well. And why these ones are good and the Kako ones are good is because pastel होने के बावजूद बहुत clearly color दिख के आता है. I use them in this planner also. See, कितना clearly दिख के आ रहा है. This is a pastel green color, but it's still visible and such a unique one. So if you use planners and journals, please, like this is one thing you have to get along with that. Coming to sticky notes, I like छोटे sticky notes more than the big ones, and these cupcake ones are disastrous if you have a sweet tooth like me. क्योंकि हर बार ऐसा कुछ देख के मुझे खाने का मन करता है. But if you have good self control, you can experiment with these ones because they look very nice and they act as a bookmark also. Like see, if I am taking this cupcake one and if the affirmations page is something that I want to mark it, तो बस इसको यहाँ पर आपको स्टिक करना है. एंड जब आप बुक बंद करेंगे इतना सा कपकेक बाहर आता है. इट्स टू cute. Imagine having like cakes and cupcakes at different intervals in the planner. बहुत मस्त लगेगा. फिर ये double sided tape दिखने में it may look like oh it may not be useful, but it is too useful to stick anything and everything. If you have a photo that you instantly want to stick, like Polaroids अगर आप लेते हो, you just do this, put it behind your picture and you can stick it immediately. You don't have to use a liquid glue या spillage का टेंशन नहीं होता, ड्राई होने का वेट नहीं करना पड़ता. तो ये बहुत काम आती है एक्सपेंसिव फॉर द क्वांटिटी दैट इट गेट्स, बट अगर आपको पसंद है टू लाइक इन्वेस्ट इनटू स्टेशनरी तो बहुत काम की चीज है वो. फिर वी हैव दीज मल्टी कलर इंक पेन्स. बचपन में इसका पैकेजिंग काफी अलग आता था, अब तो ये बूजी वाले आने लग गए, बट दीज आर ऑल्सो क्वाइट फन इफ यूर इनटू जर्नलिंग. तो दिस इज अ डिफरेंट आइटम which made it to our top stationery list of this year. Personally, I don't enjoy big sticky notes, but if you do, then there are quite a lot of options are available in the market. Like this Ferris wheel one, इस पे आप dark pen ही use कर सकते हो, but like a black pen or a dark blue pen. Don't use pastel pen, then just कुछ दिखेगा ही नहीं. And then you have ruled sticky notes as well, which are also very handy. Highlighter में this unicorn one is so cute. एक तो ये ना it stands also so nicely on a desk, and it's a 3-in-1 thing. So again, it's multifunctional. पकड़ने में इतना easy नहीं है, like the square ones are more functional, लेकिन just for aesthetic reasons if you want, इसकी ink भी काफी अच्छी है. बट ये पेस्टल नहीं है, ये नॉर्मल है, खाली दिखता पेस्टल है बट इंक नॉर्मल है. ये tear off sheets भी काफी यूजफुल होती है, because if you just have notes which you make for yourself and you don't need them in the future, तो इसको डेस्क पे रखना बहुत काम आता है. You can write it and just tear it off and move on with the next day. But if there is one particular page जो बहुत important है, वो फाड़ के आप आपके पास भी रख सकते हो. So these are quite versatile like that and nice to have around your desk. छोटे वाले take less space, so that's what I have kept. And pens में one Kako से तो definitely made it, because the ink of these Kako green pens is just so smooth. इसमें एक और purple वाला था which is still on the desk, but these are black ink pens and they're very nice. If you like luxury pens, give these a shot because they look good also, but they're very smooth to use also. The next thing is correction tape, and अगर आप assignments or projects बहुत करते हो, then this will come in handy for that. I personally don't end up using it much क्योंकि planner है, journal है, it's a free space, तो उसमें तो cancellation and all is fine. But for assignments, this is very useful. ये वाली थोड़ी बड़ी है, compact वाले भी options में link कर दूंगी, but if you're more into the looks, then you will enjoy using this. A very unique sticky note version, because this can be small, this can be big, this can be anything you like, and it just looks too good. Basically इसको कैसे यूज करना होता है कि how much you want to stick, you actually have to like stick it on the paper and then tear it off. I think इसका डायरेक्शन मैंने कलर डाला हुआ है फिलहाल, and it's very cute and very useful. छोटा सा भी टुकड़ा लगा सकते हो, and you can have like a massive one as well if you have a lot of things to list out. फिर थोड़ी adult stationery पे आ जाते हैं, because you know with age your stationery requirements also change. So to meet a lot of tax compliances, we have to have a lot of invoices filed. But because I'm such a stationery lover, I can't have plain black and red and blue files. So इसलिए I searched for these ones on Amazon. Just look how cute this is. I hate paperwork. Absolutely hate. But ये देख के थोड़ी सी motivation आ जाती है कि चलो कर ही लेते हैं. थोड़ा tolerable task बन जाता है इसके साथ. And the other one I found is very appropriate to what we do, because it has a camera on it. Videos we make, this resonates to that. तो मस्त है यार. These are on Amazon. Average price is around 300 to 500 के बीच में. So that is quite pricey for this, but it's for the aesthetic. So that's why I bought a couple of these, and बाकी boring files ले लिए मैंने, क्योंकि इसकी कैपेसिटी उतनी ज़्यादा नहीं है. लाइक अगर पूरे साल के इन्वॉइसेस डालने, लाइक इफ यू हैव 500 शीट्स टू फाइल, दिस विल नॉट सफाइस फॉर दैट. उसके लिए बड़ी फाइल चाहिए रहेगी. एंड फॉर नोटबुक्स I have a bunch of options for you. I have sort of lost count now, so we may have a couple of extra things, but that's okay. Extra is fine. So in notebooks, I have these Korean aesthetic ones, which are to live for rather than to die for. I'll say to live for, because these give me life, yaar. I love how there are 2 different colors. You can actually write your name or what these are for right here. And these are ruled books. Comes in a set of 5 or 6. ये भी Amazon से लिया था. And of course, how can we not have H&K notebooks? The best seller, Breathe. Every time we stock it, it gets out of stock so quickly, because it's such a calming vibe, the color scheme, and it reminds you to breathe and live in the moment and calm down. And my second favorite notebook is the pizza one which says on a pizza diet. I love because it speaks about your personality, right? Like just if you're using this notebook, it clearly passes up the message that you really like pizza and just it's super colorful. I love this one. And another notebook option I have this, so I think for 2-3 साल से I have this with me because it's so unique. It's by a brand called Papeterie and this is coffee stained paper. So if someone is into vintage stuff and if they like this rustic vibe, then this is it's just so pretty. Plus it has the smell of old paper also. Novels की like खुशबू होती है ना, इसमें वो scent भी है. So this is a very unique notebook. And lastly, some weekly planners laid out for you, tear off sheets wale, because personally I use my one planner only the most. I stick to one notebook only generally, but अगर आपको weekly planner जैसे layout करना अच्छा लगता है, if it makes you a more sorted person, alternatively even though this doesn't say, but you can actually plan your meals or anything else also. Workout में भी आप list out कर सकते हो, upper body, lower body, cardio day, CrossFit day. So this can have multiple uses, and if you like using this, I'll list a bunch of options in the description box down below. But this was our roundup of 2022. I thoroughly enjoyed doing these stationery Sundays because you knew when to expect a stationery video and consistently हर महीने आ रहा था, अलग themes थी, and this was just a great year in general. We are also hosting a giveaway for the planner for you and your BFF. So all you have to do is comment down below which are your 3 favorite features of the planner and share your Instagram account and your BFF's Instagram account handle as well in the comment down below so that we can reach out to you if you're the winner. Wishing you a very very Merry Christmas and sending you a warm hug from me for this Christmas. I hope you have a great year next year and thank you so much for all the love you sent our way in this year. If you enjoyed watching this video, then do get a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for future videos. If you did not enjoy watching this video, bindas give it a thumbs down. I will see you in a brand new video very very soon. Until then, goodbye.